Welcome back to Happy Mommy Makeup. So in this video, I'm going to do a look using the ColourPop Frosty the Snowman palette. My last video, I did a Christmas haul, so the things that I got for Christmas. And this palette is one that Skylin picked out for me, along with a few lip products that come with the collection. I don't have the whole collection, but I do have some lip products, the eyeshadow palette, and the snowman. So I already put on the rest of my makeup besides my eyes and my lips. As you can see, I used the snowman, which was pretty interesting to use, and it kind of lights up, or not lights up, it changes color with like heat pressure, so it gets kind of lighter with the heat of your fingers. I didn't use it for the concealer because I didn't really feel like that would work very well, but it's a fun little beauty blender used for foundation. So I'm just gonna do a quick eye look using this palette. These are the colors. When I opened this palette, Ice and Snow really drew to me, so I think I'm gonna do a look using that color. All right, let's get into it. So I'm gonna do Wishy Wash, this light blue, in my crease. Now it has some like little glitters in it, so I think it's a, what's it called? A glitter press, maybe? It's not very shimmery, it's just kind of have some glitters in it. So if you like put it on your brush and then, oh, see, yeah, there's the glitters. So you can put it on the brush and then like this, and then tap it out, and I think it takes some of the glitters off, which is kind of what I'm doing, but also keeping a little bit of the glitter on. I am okay with that. But it's more like a matte with some little glitter in there. Again, not like a shimmer. So I'm gonna put it all over the lid and up in my crease. I mean, literally all over. And I am just building it up. It's a very, very light color, so don't expect too much pigment with it. It's still very pretty, but see how it kind of lightened up my eyes there. I'm gonna put button nose on like the outer corner. I think I want a little bit of dimension. I don't think I'm gonna put it on too heavy, very light. I don't know how well it's gonna look. So my husband and I are actually going on a zip line date tonight through some Christmas lights. And while we're doing that, Hayden and Skylin are gonna be hanging around, checking out the scenery and getting some hot chocolate, while Corey and I go ziplining. And we have been ziplining before in Jamaica, but not here in Oklahoma. So that'll be a fun little date night. This is actually turning out okay. I think I'm gonna drag a little bit in there, whatever's left on the brush, just kind of drag it in a little bit to kind of the mid of my eye right there. I'll go slow, there you go. Because I'm gonna put some glitter on the rest of the lid. Just a little dimension there. All right, now with my finger, I'm gonna go in with Ice and Snow here and put it starting on the inner corner of my lid and going to the middle. Ooh. Ooh. That is so shimmery and sparkly, and it feels kind of like wet in a way. Like on my finger when I was rubbing on it. And bring it up a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna go in with 1969 and put it kind of like in the middle between Ice and Snow and Button Nose, like right there. So again, using my finger, I prefer to apply my pressed glitters or any shimmers in with my finger than brushes. Now I'm trying to debate whether I want to use something Wonderful or Jolly Soul on my inner corner highlight. Something Wonderful has like a blue shift to it, and Jelly Soul is like white. I think I'm gonna go with Something Wonderful to kind of go tie in with the blue. So I don't like Something Wonderful as much as I was hoping. So I think I'm gonna top it with Jelly Soul and see if that gives me more of what I want. There you go, that kind of brightens it up more. Okay, to my lower lash line, I'm gonna start with that nose and starting on the outer corner and kind of just gonna sweep it in. Okay. Now I'm gonna take Wishy Wash and just kind of go underneath button nose, starting on the inner corner and brushing it up. Going kind of right underneath button nose. That's it with the eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna add some mascara and liner and I will be right back. I lied. I'm gonna go in with Frosty's hat and kind of use it as a liner. I'm gonna take this angled brush and then stamp it along my lash line. Now I'm gonna add mascara. I'll be right back. Eyeliner and mascara is on. I was considering lashes, but I'm going ziplining, so I'm not really thinking that's a good idea. Have like a lash fly off or something. So I'm just gonna leave it, the eyes like that. Now to pick the lips. For the lips we have First Snow, which is this nude like color here. Matching lippy pencil in Over the Hills. And then we have Silly Snowman, which is like this red mauve-y, pinky mauve color there. That was a good swatch. There we go. And then the matching lippy pencil in Magic Hat. Right there. And then I have 3 So Juicy Plumping Gloss Bombs, which I may consider. I mean, 2 of them are very similar to these colors, and then one is kind of off. We have All Melted, Frozen, and Feeling Like Frosty. I think with this look, I'm gonna do Over the Hills with First Snow, and then I might top it with one of the other So Juicy glosses. So I'm gonna line my lips. Now for the lipstick, right on top of that. All right, and this is the final look. ColourPop makeup eyeshadow palettes are always on point. I never have an issue with them. This turned out really pretty, a nice little cool tones, wintry look. I've been struggling with like lighting issues. I was hoping that my light adjustment that I recently done would help with the video quality, or the lighting quality of my videos. I'm not really sure. If you have any suggestions, or if it looks perfectly fine and you can actually see the makeup, let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And until next time, bye.